So I just finished up gluing the bride shift boot to the plastic trim. So now I'm going to put it on and put the shift knob on as well. What I'm going to do for this part right here, since it's a little too big, I'm going to tape around here so that it stays, so when I lift this up it will be just fine. And then I'll put this on, and I'll put this little leather wrap around this so it could stay nice and snug and it'll look clean. And that's that. Much cleaner than it was before. Feels really good. It's nice and all steady. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere. The glue's sitting in there pretty tight. Oh, nice.